Anong problema ang gusto mong iparanas sa mga kandidato? Yung struggle of daily commuting, yung pagsakay sa MRT or sa train, pagsakay sa jeep, paglakad sa mga unpaved pathway sa mga kalsada.
Tatanungin ka ng mananalong kandidato, ano ang magandang unang proyekto pagkaupo ko sa pwesto? What I would tell them, him, her, is to ask their constituents. Lalo na, especially if the post is a local post, go back to the ground, touch grass, touch base with the people who elected you to power in the first place.
Tatanungin ka ng mananalong kandidato, ano ang magandang unang proyekto pagkaupo ka sa pwesto? Anong suggestion ang ibibigay mo? To reprioritize education kasi our education system has had a lot of budget cuts in recent years and we can't deny how impactful a good education system is for everyone. But it's not as accessible to everyone as we'd want it to be. Good education is a tide that lifts all boats.
Ano ang pinaka-pinagsisihan mo sa mga nagdaang eleksyon? I missed 1 or 2 elections. At saka, nagsisisi ako kasi alam ko naman na bawat eleksyon ay domino effect, di ba? Kung bumoto ako mas maaga, meron din sana akong naiambag sa mas magandang Pilipinas.
I'll be covering Metro Manila, some of the cities here in Metro Manila, and I want to highlight yung mga issues surrounding the cities and as well as yung mga platforms ng mga candidates natin para to help the people decide in choosing the right leaders.
Ang ampag ko ay mag-report para sa Rapplers. We follow the senatorial candidates across the country and we try to make sense of what they're saying, what they're not saying, what they're promising, what they're not saying out loud behind those promises. So hopefully, makakatulong kami in helping the electorate make the best informed choice they can in 2025.
I think I would try to convince more people to vote. And I'd convince more people to make better choices when it comes to the candidates that they're supporting. And not just to support a candidate, but also to hold them accountable if they do something wrong when they get elected.
Ambag ko ay maging open, ramdamin lahat ng hirap na yon, at saka doon ako magsisimula pumili para sa mas magandang Pilipinas. Mag-encourage ako ng mga kilala ko na bumoto, at saka maging bukas rin na ramdamin yung mga kailangan nating malaman tungkol sa Pilipinas. Tsaka kasama na rin doon yung mabuting pagsuri ng kung sino yung iboboto ko.